So ArcBlock just released an updated version of its Blocklet server, which now includes a PWA integration capability for Blocklets. So if you don't know what PWA is, real quick, PWA is Progressive Web App. It's a web tech that effectively allows you to offer a user experience similar to a native app. So PWAs can be used across different platforms, different devices, all from a single code base, for example, like a website. And once you install it on that device, it can function offline and in the background. So it's really cool. Again, why PWA? There's a great article here on the ArcBlock blog that goes over why you might want to take a look at PWA and also kind of a dive deep in terms of progressive web apps. Top line, faster user experience, offline support, both great features to have. So on the ArcBlock article, just a couple things to note here. They have actually integrated PWA into a couple experiences already, so you can actually try it right now. So if you look at the ArcBlock homepage and then also the community page have actually been set up as PWA. So I'm going to go and actually try that right now. So I'm using Microsoft Chrome. This works in Safari, works in Chrome, works in Firefox. Pick the option to have the drop down, and you can see here I have an option called apps, and it's giving me the option to install this site. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Comes up, gives me the option to install it. Click on install, and you can see there's a pop-up now, and you can actually see I've got the ArcBlock page running as a web app. I would encourage everybody, take a look, try it. Go to arcblock.io, install it as a PWA, or go to the community site community.arcblock.io.